Winner, winner, Thanksgiving dinner, we found your drink.
We would show you a picture.
But it's gone.
But it's already gone.
Yeah. Welcome to Comment Cocktails, Danny and Derek. I can't get my own name right. We're going to make you a drink called the Cynar Flip.
Nick Curtindale.
It's got really Cynar in it. This is Cynar. It's a Amaro. It's got I don't know, is this based, what's the flavor of this one?
Artichokes.
Artichokes. I can never remember that. I always think of something green and long. But it's not, artichokes are...
Unripe banana? The Grinch's penis?
I'm thinking Brussels sprouts, or maybe, I think.
The Brussels sprouts are definitely not long.
Wait, what's that long one?
No, you're...
Oh, asparagus!
No, but they make it out of, it's red.
Oh, and rhubarb?
Yes.
What, that's made out of rhubarb?
No, some Amaro's made out of rhubarb.
Yeah, I have that one. I think that's, is that...
That's a Bully Boy one.
Oh, you Bully Boy Amaro.
Yeah.
That's upstairs. That's in my special cabinet. I have another bar upstairs, but small.
If you just tuned in, the train is already off the track.
Oh, yeah, Cynar Flip. Here's the recipe. 1 ounce of premium Canadian whiskey. You can now use Alberta. We're going to use Crown Royal. 1 ounce of Cynar, ½ ounce of Cointreau. I don't have Cointreau right now, so we're going to use the dry curacao because it's freaking awesome. 1/4 ounce of Clove Simple Syrup. I'll explain in a minute. 1 whole egg and a dash of Bitter Truth. Jerry Thomas Decanter bitters. If you don't have that, you can get these, which are Berg and Hauk Jerry Thomas bitters, because Berg and Hauk is the name of the Bitter Truth in the U.S. if it's sold into a place that doesn't have a liquor license, like the grocery store. Basically, it's just a TTP regulation. You can use, really, I would say any aromatic bitter.
Yeah.
Jerry Thomas is great and fun. If you have it, it's great use for it. If you don't have it, I wouldn't go out and run out and buy it. Just use it on the store, you'll be fine. Or Specky's aromatic.
Yeah.
I wouldn't go with Three Brothers aromatic, too much cinnamon, I think, for that. But it would give you Christmas vibes, which some people enjoy. That's it. You're going to shake it because it's a flip. I learned this.
We're not doing a dry shake.
Not doing a dry shake. The whole egg.
You want to do a dry shake? So? Maybe do a whole egg?
Why? I don't know.
You can do whatever the fuck you want.
It's Alice's restaurant.
You can get anything.
You can get anything you want.
Should I double strain this since it's got the whole yolk in to get that little chunky white piece out? What do you think?
Sure. Well, now that you say it like that, I'm like, yes.
Yes. Look at that. Let's double strain that shit.
Yeah, we don't want the chunky white piece.
Right. You know the piece I'm talking about.
Yeah, the piece that's where the...
Oh, it looks like a nog.
That's where it
Maybe
connects.
we don't have to double strain it.
Yeah, it should be a nog. I mean, that's basically what it
That's where it connects to the chicken's belly button.
All right, we're not going to double strain it. I take it back.
Okay.
Why?
Thank you, though, for the support.
All right.
Why? Because it's got really good springs?
No, look at that.
Oh, that feels like it needs nutmeg.
Oh, yeah, I bet it's going to be good.
Well, I mean, it's like
nothing. Latte art.
There's not much sweet about this, so it looks like it'll be very deceiving on this drink, I think.
I don't really...
Simple syrup.
You're not even close, but... There you go.
Yeah, there's simple syrup.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
There's not a lot sweet about this.
Yeah, it's like a 1/4 ounce, right? It's clove based. So... Oh, we gotta try it. We gotta. Is that
you
good
were gonna
shot?
say something, so
Yeah.
I was gonna interrupt with my.
You're not really selling it to me. Like, yeah, that's a great job.
Yeah.
For your thumbnail. Hold on a minute.
Can I drink it?
Yes. No.
Can I drink it?
No.
How about now?
Now you can.
Sweet.
I was gonna tell you. Oh, our executive producer is Daniel Bodine, and you can go to patreon.com/CMC to help us fund the show. This recipe, by the way, is from liquor.com. I was going to say something. Oh, so the simple syrup. The way I built this, does it have any clove at all?
Yeah.
So
A little bit.
what I did is
really
I created, I knew I wasn't going to need a lot of simple syrup, so I just did half a cup of sugar, half a cup of water, and 3 whole cloves. And I just threw the whole cloves, the sugar, the water in there, brought it to a boil, cleared it off, set it off to the side. The cloves sat in there for probably about 20 minutes because I got busy doing other stuff. I was like, oh yeah, the cloves. And it didn't really seem to get like too ultra clovey, so I thought that was good enough.
Did you make
It's not over. It's almost, I mean, it almost tastes like a bourbon flip. Like,
so good. So good. The Cynar in there is really good because it's subtle.
Whoa! It's like second quarter. You get hit by that Cynar.
So good.
It's got that, it's almost... It starts to creep up for a second, like, oh, this might have Campari in it, but then it doesn't.
It's like the best breakfast drink in the world. It's got like eggs.
No.
You got something orangey. You got some vegetables.
It's like a breakfast cocktail. Dan loves those.
It tastes like a breakfast cocktail, doesn't it? You'd have that.
A little sweet, isn't it?
Cynar?
A little bit.
I mean, I know
absolutely not.
Ultimately, it's a bitter, but I thought it was a little sweet.
Well, it's like sweet, and then it's like the back of your tongue.
It's 16
and that's where you get like the
alcohol.
bitter.
It's got to be partly
it's the bitter
sweet.
she can handle.
Yeah.
Oh, this
drink is good.
This is not like
Bitter than,
No,
this is not bitter. It has like enough bitterness to like make you want to come back to it.
Yeah.
Like
Just to get your
just like your
like a little bit of
attention.
lemony.
It's really good.
Wet your whistle.
I mean, I love flips.
The first
It's because
one-
it's the whole egg flip, right? And the whole egg flip
she's
makes things
like,
creamy because you get the yolk in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like a little bit more like an elevated like bourbon flip. It's got the
Oh, yeah,
orange.
that's totally sweet. It's
Yeah.
bitter, but it's sweet. Yeah.
Yeah, the first sip I took, I felt like bitterness in the back of my tongue. The second one, I didn't taste that at all. Like my tongue was immediately
This
adapted.
may not last the rest of the episode.
Stop it.
I'm sorry, but
It's really good.
facts is facts.
It's really good.
Don't me like you can see me. I don't believe it.
All I see is a jacket talking to me like a ghost.
He thinks he's tripping.
That dude's shipping balls
He's
right now.
gonna last the rest of the episode. He's looking right at me.
And she's looking up at me like, fuck around and find out.
The egg is
You want to get punched in the balls?
The more you fuck around, the more you find out.
the creaminess of the whole egg flip
Are your
is
eyeballs over there somewhere?
Yeah, like
awesome.
This is really good. Yeah,
It's really
for
good.
people who are, if you
This-
Go ahead, Ian. Just go ahead.
over
It's really
there
good.
if you're concerned about egg,
before it's too late.
don't be concerned.
That's really good. We're gonna have to make another one of those.
No, go ahead.
That's a good flip.
So magnanimous.
Share it.
It feels weird. To
She's
put-
like, Jen, I already sucked on the other one, so.
I did. I didn't share the other one. I didn't think you that. That's not John. It's like none of John's house.
She's like, I didn't think you look.
you don't really like this one.
That's a good one.
It feels weird to put a whole egg in a cocktail.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah.
It does
It's
really,
a holiday treat.
Yeah.
Yes.
but eggnog is just eggs.
It's a little sweet.
Right. Well, it's
a
eggs and
little
cream and
sweet.
sugar.
We made it on the
You
show.
get a bitter.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
good.
And I've made it at home.
No,
too.
but
I made
you have to
I
have a
made
few
it for
sips
my
of
family.
it, and it kind of like starts
Whiskey
to.
in there.
What's his name?
Yeah.
Dale DeGroff?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
Dale
think
DeGroff.
you could use a little more clove.
Maybe a little bit, yeah. I could see a little more cloviness. If the clove syrup were a little bit more concentrated clove flavor.
Yeah.
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 So
You could use a little more.
you could. I would if I did it again. I'd probably do like
that's
either 4 cloves or take the 3 and crush them
Yeah, yeah.
Mm.
just to get. My fear was clove can creep up real
Oh
fast.
yeah, I can get.
So
But then you
like,
dilute.
overpowering.
Then you dilute with more syrup if you get too much cloviness, right?
I wouldn't have done
No,
that.
I could.
I would have just
But
put
you
it down
could.
here and we would have been. Yeah,
I
you could
do a
recover
little
it.
clove. This would be a
You could have
great-
nutmegged the top of that, and
This would actually be a great.
I think it's good without the
Thanksgiving,
nutmeg.
Like,
I don't want the nutmeg to
Cocktail.
get in the way.
This is the Thanksgiving cocktail. This episode goes out on November 17th. When's
Yes.
Thanksgiving?
November 25th, 4th.
So
third,
in that-
5th.
Yeah, 26th last day of hunting, so that's probably a Saturday. It's 25th,
Fourth.
4th.
this is
It's
a
always the
great,
24th,
like,
isn't it?
great
It's always the
Thanksgiving cocktail.
4th.
There you go.
Third, no, the
Yes.
third Thursday, isn't it?
4th.
Fourth?
So, what?
That
You
was
want
the
to
third.
enjoy yourself with your miserable relatives? Like, this is how
This is how you sell
It's
it.
good.
If
yeah.
you want to enjoy yourself with your miserable relatives.
and then most people won't drink your drink because it's a whole egg.
right.
Yeah, 24th.
Even better.
No, I really
You're like,
That's
oh,
the
you put a
24th, right?
whole egg in there? I
Yeah.
don't want a cocktail with a whole egg in it. Fine. You know, like,
Oh, the whole egg is great.
yeah. I don't understand why, but it works fine.
It is.
And it doesn't
It's
taste like-
But it's not a Christmas eggnog. It's a Thanksgiving eggnog.
Right. Christmas eggnog has more
I
cinnamon.
wonder what it would be like, if you did it with bourbon. Like,
It would be.
Well,
it would
be
probably.
a lion's tail.
Yeah.
More
It would be still delicious, is what it would be.
it would be.
Because this.
I
is,
agree, I
This
agree.
is probably Canadian whiskey is typically a rye.
And they tend to be lighter in
Yeah,
body,
they're not going to be.
which
as
I can see
oaky.
maybe, if you heavy it up a little bit.
Good, more oaky.
Yeah, you'd
Oh, I
probably
would
want
be fine
Yeah, a
with that.
little
Yeah.
oaky and a little.
you'd want the
more
heavier
clove,
clove
yeah.
syrup with the heavier oak, I would think. So you want more of a clove flavor.
Yeah.
Yes.
You're going to need some strong body to
Heavier
hold that.
oak, a little more clove.
Bingo.
Perfect.
More clove, more oak, and you can make
Boom.
it.
Try it.
Instead of
This
that,
is
instead of a
good.
Cynar Flip, it becomes a flippy flip with.
Flippity
Clove.
flip.
Flipping egg.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Or all split
Good.
something.
Yeah.
Sidebar.
I was trying to think
More
if I
drinks,
could do more clove.
More Amaros.
Or all split.
Maybe we find something there with Cynar in it.
Go in a little
That's it.
Cynar.
We're teaching you how to drink.
Or